In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a batch payment in Xero to pay multiple customers efficiently. This can be a real-time saver for those of you who are handling multiple bills regularly. Let's dive in and make this process as smooth as possible. First things first, we need to navigate our way to the right section of Xero. So, go ahead and click on Purchases at the top bar of your Xero dashboard. Once you're there, select the Bills option from the drop-down menu. This area is where all your bills are organized, making it easier to manage your finances. Once you've opened the Bills section, your next step is to focus on the Awaiting Payment tab. It's crucial to move into this area, because this is where you'll find all the bills that are pending and need to be paid. Making sure you're on the right tab helps ensure that you don't accidentally process incorrect payments. Now, within the Awaiting Payment tab, you'll see a list of bills that are due or soon to be due. Here, you'll want to check the boxes next to the bills you aim to include in your batch payment. Xero makes it convenient by allowing you to select multiple bills, which saves you from the hassle of processing each one individually. Just go through the list and tick off the boxes for those eligible or prioritized for payment this time around. After you've selected the bills, the next thing to do is click on the Make Payment option. This is where the magic begins to happen. By doing this, you are progressing to the next step where you'll organize these selected bills into one cohesive payment batch. Once you've clicked on Make Payment, you'll need to select the Batch Payment option and continue. This option is specifically designed for situations like this when dealing with numerous payments at the same time. Selecting Batch Payment streamlines the process, automating parts of it to save you effort and minimize the risk of errors. You're almost there. Now, it's time to enter the details of the batch payment. This part is crucial because accuracy here ensures the payments are made correctly and on time. Be sure to carefully input all the necessary payment information, such as amounts and due dates, to avoid any discrepancies. Finally, after you've reviewed and entered all the required details, click on Make Payment. This final step confirms your batch payment, and just like that, you've efficiently paid several bills through a single process. And that's all there is to it. You've just created a batch payment in Xero, making your bill paying process faster and much more efficient. Keep practicing this method, and it will soon become a natural part of your financial routine. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.